If you're looking for an easy-to-use, reliable, and cost-effective home security system, the Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, Plus Blink Mini Combo is a powerful option that combines long-lasting performance with advanced smart features. This bundle includes 5 weather-resistant Blink Outdoor 4 cameras and 1 indoor Blink Mini camera, making it ideal for comprehensive home surveillance both inside and outside. The Blink Outdoor 4 cameras feature HD live view, infrared night vision, two-way audio, and custom motion detection zones, giving you clear video feedback and interactive communication through the Blink app. Designed for durability, the Outdoor 4 units are fully weather-resistant, making them suitable for rain or shine, and each camera can run for up to 2 years on a pair of AA lithium batteries, which are included in the box. What makes the Outdoor 4 unique compared to its predecessors is its improved image clarity, better motion detection algorithm, and dual-zone infrared sensors, which increase accuracy and reduce false alerts. They're easy to install with a wire-free setup and can be mounted anywhere using the included accessories. The Blink Mini, on the other hand, plugs into a power outlet and provides compact indoor monitoring with many of the same features: HD video, motion detection, and two-way talk, but with continuous power supply, making it great for monitoring pets, kids, or your home's interior. All devices work seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, allowing voice control and live feed access via Echo Show or Fire TV. You can arm/disarm your cameras, check live views, and interact with visitors using simple voice commands. Cloud video storage is available through a Blink subscription plan, or you can opt for local storage using the included Sync Module 2 with a USB flash drive, sold separately. Offering flexibility in how you manage footage, setup is straightforward. Just plug in the Sync Module 2, connect to your Wi-Fi, and use the Blink app, available on iOS and Android, to add and customize your cameras. The app interface is user-friendly, allowing you to create schedules, adjust sensitivity, and receive real-time notifications whenever motion is detected. The system is also scalable, so you can add more Blink cameras over time if needed. In terms of performance, users generally report crisp video quality, low latency for notifications, and minimal maintenance, thanks to the long battery life. The night vision is effective for most residential needs, and the two-way audio is clear enough to communicate with delivery drivers or unexpected guests. The Blink Mini complements the system well, serving as a dependable indoor monitor that doesn't require battery changes. Ultimately, the Blink Outdoor 4 Plus Mini Combo is a fantastic value for anyone looking to secure their home with minimal hassle. It combines cutting-edge features like smart detection and Alexa integration with a plug-and-play experience.